if you have already checked some of the symbols and you have already made your own prediction, I hope maybe, you can share your opinion with us. It's always good for us to exchange our opinion with each other. Okay. So first of all, I would like to check US dollars index. Then after US dollars index, GBP USD. After GBP USD, I will move on to XAU USD. So that's the order of today's live streaming analysis. First of all, let's focus on US dollars index chart. We need to check what happened yesterday. We need to verify if yesterday our prediction was correct. So as you can see, yesterday US dollars index was quite flat during the whole Asian trading session and the first half of the European trading session. It was trading around 92.7 for most trading hours of yesterday, and then suddenly it went up to 92.9, and slowly we saw it went up to 92.9. So overall, it was a bullish market yesterday. Yesterday we saw the release of an important figure called, George's job report. It's an employment report. Well, again, it showed that the American job market is quite positive. So of course, it will inject more impetus for the bullish power in the US dollars index chart. That's why we saw US dollars index went up yesterday. Also yesterday, I reminded you guys you should pay attention to the speech of the Federal Reserve of the official from the Federal Reserve. So that's what mattered for yesterday's market. Yesterday, I checked US dollars index as usual. My resistance level for yesterday's market was around 92.9 and my support level was around 92.6. I say that US dollars index is gonna be a mixed market with a mixed sentiment. And my support level yesterday was around 92.6 and the resistance level was around 92.9. So yesterday my prediction for US dollars index was completely correct. All of them were correct, including the resistance level, the support level, and the direction, the overall direction. All of them were perfectly correct. So that's what I said for yesterday's market. We need to focus on today's market to do the prediction for today's market. US dollars index, in the Asian trading session, it was so flat. You can see all the sizes of these candlesticks were quite small. That is a signal that the current market is pretty weak. Now I'm still checking US dollars index chart. I just reviewed yesterday's market and verified my prediction for yesterday's market. Well, what we need to do is to focus on today's market and to make prediction for today's market. As you can see, it is still hovering around $93. In my opinion, it's quite hesitant on the hourly chart. Well, on the 4 hours chart, still it is constantly going up. Yesterday I said it. I mentioned that US dollars index in the near future is more likely to be bullish because the US job market is turning better. So that's gonna be a boost for US dollars index. So I guess US dollars index in the near future will keep going up. And on the daily chart, you can see US dollars index is still quite strong actually. yesterday we saw a bullish daily candlestick, and the day before yesterday it was also a bullish candlestick. Well, right now it is changing hands around $93. In my opinion, maybe there are still more space for US dollars index to go up, because I'm still bullish for today's US dollars index. Also, we should check US dollars weekly chart. On the weekly chart, still it is bullish. Last week closed. Closed with this, bullish candlestick, and this week it opened at a higher price around 92 points. Sorry, here 92.8. So it's actually a good sign, positive sign. US dollars index, in my opinion, is still in the process of going up. In my opinion, it is still bullish. It is changing hands around $93. I guess it will keep going up. I think $93 is not gonna be the highest price of today. Instead, I think it's just like in the middle of today's highest price and lowest price. Well, my resistance level as well as my target for the current bullish buyers is around $93.2. So again, allow me to repeat, my resistance level as well as my target for today's US dollars index trading is around $93.2. I think US dollars index is still in the process of going up. Right now it is still around $93. I guess there are still some space for this symbol to go up. My resistance level for US dollars index is around $93.2. After the hit of the resistance level, maybe we will see US dollars index pull back a bit. My support level for the pullback is around 92.9. I guess today US dollars index would be more bullish. I guess today there wouldn't be a lot of volatility in the market. That's why I guess US dollars index will still remain slightly bullish, but in the end of the day, it may show us a flat market without a lot of volatility.